In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Visa gift card. Before you start, it's crucial to activate your Visa gift card if that step is required. Some cards are ready right out of the packaging, but others might need an activation process. You'll usually find instructions on the back of the card or on the accompanying materials when you first receive it. This ensures that the card is ready for use, so you won't face any unexpected surprises during your transaction. Once your card is activated, always check the balance before making a purchase. This step is important because it prevents any issues at checkout due to insufficient funds. You can typically check the balance by visiting the card issuer's website or by calling the toll-free number provided on the card. Simply enter the card details as prompted, and you'll know exactly how much you have to spend. The most common way to use your Visa gift card is online. So let's walk through that process. First, go to the checkout page of the website where you're making your purchase. This is where you'll enter your payment information. Now make sure to select the credit or debit card payment option. Do not choose the gift card option, as this often refers to store-specific cards and not your Visa gift card. Choosing the correct option ensures the system processes your payment accurately. Next, it's time to enter the card details. Start with the card number, which is the 16-digit number on the front of your card. Enter it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Then proceed to input the expiration date. This is typically found just below the card number. It's essential to enter the month and year exactly as they appear. Following that, you'll need to enter the CVV code. This three-digit number is usually found on the back of the card. It adds an extra layer of security to your transaction, ensuring that only you can use the card. If prompted, enter the billing zip code. This is usually your home address zip code. Providing this information helps verify the transaction and adds an additional security measure, ensuring a smoother checkout process. With all the details entered, it's time to complete the payment. Click on the Pay or Submit button. This action finalizes your purchase, and you should see a confirmation screen or message. This confirmation reassures you that your transaction was successful. Remember, using a Visa gift card is a straightforward process once you're familiar with it. It's a convenient way to manage spending and can be used just like a regular credit or debit card for online purchases. By following these steps and tips, you'll ensure a seamless transaction every time. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping with your Visa gift card.